Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to combine two columns in one column in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to combine two columns with content, so what you have to do here, you will see this is I have created three columns: the serial number, employee name and designation. Okay, in employee name, this is the employee names and this is their designation. Now I want to combine this employee name and designation, so this is the column where I want to combine. So to combine, what you have to do, and I will combine these two column with space. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just click on equals to, then concate. Okay, then you have to choose both cells, okay, or both column, then you have to just close bracket. Okay, so here you will see like this you can combine two columns in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.